My son started moto tyres probably 4 years ago.
Transmission oil, got some new grips. Right. We've got our shovel, guys. Alright, what is going on, guys? We're back after 2 weeks of not filming. Now, if you're wondering why, I work full-time at a bike shop, and even with this coronavirus stuff going on, we've stayed open and we've been busier than ever. So yeah, we've been getting smashed, so on my days off I'm trying to just chill. But as you can see, I've got a brand new trials bike here. So it's a 2012 Beta Evo 250. It's a 2-stroke. And you might be wondering, why did I buy a trials bike and not a full motocross bike? Well, I've got like 2 or 3 acres here. It's all like steep hill climbs, creek crossings, but I do also have neighbors, so I don't really want to get noise complaints, and I want to ride this thing all the time, so I don't want to have to drive a few hours just to ride the bike, and I've got like perfect land for it. So we're going to be building some tracks today. I'm actually about to go to a motocross shop and see if I can pick up some gear. I just need like boots and pants. I'll probably just wear my pushy helmet, to be honest, so I can use my GoPro mount that's on it. And yeah, might pick up some like gearbox oil and see what else I have. So let's get into the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this different style. Yo! Got some transmission oil, got some new grips. Oh, here we go. These ones, right. Dopey ads. We've got our shovel, guys. Picking out some boots, because the thing is, I'm gonna be riding this thing and then I'm gonna jump off to like dig out a new bit of track, and if I'm trying to do that in big MX boots, it's just not gonna work. So $89, dude. Can't really go wrong with that, I reckon. Motor gear, check. Mountain bike jersey, check. Grips coming off, almost check. The grips are on, looking good. Finding bolts for all of the ones that were missing, and then I'm putting some washers on the outside just so I can actually just ride it with the original plastics. Alright guys, so we just did a bit of a service on it, dropped the gearbox oil out, put some new stuff in, filled up the fuel and oil, new grips, fixed up the plastics, put some washers on it so I don't have to buy a new kit yet. Every time I'm going to have to take my hand off that, I'm going to accidentally kill it until I remember. So yeah, first, second, third gear are like super low geared, and then, and fourth actually, and then like fifth and sixth are pretty high geared. I'm gonna mob down the back. Oh, we died. Might have had the fuel off, I don't know. Open her up. Ew. Yo! Right, here we got a creek. I know I can ride up this whole thing from further down, so I'm gonna keep going. And I haven't ridden through here in ages. And yeah, there are trees down everywhere. This used to be heaps more open. Oh, big spider right in front of my face.
there's all this bougainvillea up here. I don't think I'm going to get around that. Oh my god, I should have checked this before. We want to set up like a few logs up there, that shed bit, so we can practice with hopping over stuff. It's just my throttle control. I find it really hard to not like do a jump or hit a log without pulling on the throttle too much afterwards. Alright, this is where it gets tricky. Very overgrown. I'm going to try and yeet it up one of these hills. Hit it. Yo. Yeah, dude, this is sick.
Well, again.
Drop down to this little creek, but I haven't found out a way to get down that properly yet.
Straight down. Up there. Yeah, it's easy.
This is doable.
You reckon?
Straight up, once we clear it out a bit. Drop down. This part I'm not going to be able to turn around, but the idea is to come down here. Eventually we'll have it so you can turn around the whole way. I'm going all the way up there now. Alright. This part's going to be real tricky. Oh, didn't quite nail that log hop. And now this is a really steep climb. Yeah, it's freaking steep.
If you want, maybe get a better one. Oh! Holy!
So I cut out this one. Ah, that was all thorns. So you come up here, through here, and then hill climb up here.